Okay, so let's try with RDT and without RDT. So let's start without RDT first. And let's see also retention. So that was 18 in. And okay, so you can see today's a very high humidity day. There's pretty much nothing flying around. So today I don't think RDT would be needed, you know, maybe on a drier day. Now let's see how much is without using the knocker. 17.5. So let's see with a knocker. I think you could see something there flying out, and yeah, 18 grams, so perfect in that regard. We'll try with RDT now in a minute. Okay, so let's try with RDT and see if there's any difference. Well, as you could see, there was nothing flying either, you know, so again, I think it really depends on how much humidity or how dry your air is. Because as you saw in the first video, today it's a rainy day, quite wet, and there was nothing flying around. So I think for a day like today, I wouldn't have used RDT. However, the other day that was quite dry, I did see some stuff flying around, you know. But it may also have been like a current of air or something going around. This, all in all, I would say doesn't really need RDT, especially if you compare it to like the key, which definitely needs some RDT unless you want to have stuff flying around, especially if you're not using this tumbler. So yeah, keep that in mind. We'll try a spring lever profile. Let's see how it goes. Beautiful shot here. We're aiming for 52 grams out.